So to the temperatures today, in fact, take a look at where we're at now. 50 degrees farther out towards the eastern counties and Llano, 52 in San Saba, 47 in Gillespie County in Fredericksburg, 59, let me try that again, 49 in Austin and 47 degrees out towards Blanco right now. Cloudy skies, that's all we're getting. Some fog out there, a little bit of mist if you're driving around, some drizzle. It's just a dreary day overall. We'll zoom out a bit more. And now pretty much all of the state of Texas is dealing with the cloudy conditions. Pollen count keeping mold and elm within the low categories on the downward trend for mold itself. After school, we're looking at temperatures at around 57 degrees with cloudy conditions. Some isolated showers is a possibility. And then once we get to the later part of the evening, we're looking at about 56 degrees with cloudy conditions and still the possibility of some drizzle. So I'll play this out. This is our in-house model. I'm going to let this play all the way until we get to the possibility of severe weather. So we'll start the clock here, 2:30 on Tuesday. We'll play it out just a bit more. Just a few isolated showers here and there. No real big changes. We get out towards Wednesday and get a better chance of seeing some rain. So Monday, not as much. Tuesday, just a little. Wednesday, even better. But Wednesday night is where we're going to start to see things really start to ramp up. By around midnight to 1 a.m., the possibility of some stronger storms coming in. That continues as we get out towards about 6 a.m. You're noticing now moving through most of the metro area into Round Rock, Georgetown, Burnett, and Lampasas. And as we get out towards the early morning hours, 8 a.m., 9 a.m., all the way to about 11, starts to move out towards the east. And then once we get to about 3 p.m., the sun starts to shine much more brightly out towards the hill country as the clouds start to move out in the eastern side. So just an idea of what we can expect for Wednesday into Thursday. The Storm Prediction Center taking down our chances just a bit from slight, just into the marginal category for the overnight hours, but it doesn't mean we still won't see thunderstorms overall. 54 for tonight with a 40% chance of rain. This is what I was talking about. Here's your severe risk for Wednesday going into Thursday and keeping us in the marginal category out towards the western portion as you get into hill country, general thunderstorm as you get into the eastern counties. You zoom out a bit more, and again, it's just mostly within that marginal compared to slight overall. The GFS model hasn't changed. That still has the possibility of some severe weather as well. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Overall, 69 on Wednesday, but there's that chance and that severe weather, that's a possibility as we get out towards Thursday. And then we get to the weekend and it's like nothing even happened. Let's go and send it over to Rich Segal, who has more.
All right, thank you, Freddie. It's now 20 minutes after 11 o'clock this morning on CW Austin Morning. Kristen and I were talking about the physical and the emotional upheaval that children are experiencing in times of excessive heat, or most recently, the wildfires in California. We wanted to do a little in-depth on that, and also it was something that I blogged about over the weekend. Children are the most vulnerable in terms of heat. Their bodies don't get as acclimated to the heat as early on in life as they do when we become adults. They have health effects and they also have some safety issues. But the biggest thing that we were wondering about, how are their emotions handled when we have, like, for example, what's going on in western North Carolina, where things are still a mess out there from Hurricane Helene, or in the case of the wildfires that are going on in California. There are a couple of things that the children are affected by. One of them is the fact that the seasonal allergies get an earlier start, so that may limit their outdoor activities. And the same thing for air quality. The air quality has a tendency to get a little bit worse when the fossil fuels are belched into the air. So we go into that a little bit more in detail at kxan.com. Click on Weather Blog. And in the next hour, we'll talk about how parents and teachers can help too. And there's a little sneak peek as to how that might happen. Will?
Thanks so much.